Yo, surprise live. Yes, sir. Well, I planned on making a market review this afternoon, but yeah, I have time, so why not watch this live, how it unfolds. So yeah, let's see. Hello, August, Gio, Dennis, Johan, Buddy, the Bee. Good morning from Old Toronto. Hello, hello. Honey, are you shorting the fake pumped matic? Nah, I'm flat at the moment. I closed my longs right in time up here. Well, after this candle, posted it in the Discord as well. Right as we were trading here, so right in time, or I would have round tripped my position. But anyways, was a very small position anyways, so nothing big. But I'm chilling here. Korki, Peter, hello, hello. All good, yes sir. Igor, Ayman. You closed long just in time. Nice. Yeah. Little bit of luck as well, but I'll explain why, because there was a reason I closed it. Darshan, what's up? Hello, Rui, what's up? Saul, 2 streams this week. Lucky us. Yeah, this one's just gonna be a chill stream, you know. We'll give my thoughts on Bitcoin, obviously, but Imbafishk, Shane, GP, Nikolai, Adam, greetings from Lithuania. Damn. Hello, hello. 69 people watching, let's go. Marcos, Stefan, what's up? Robin, David, Adam, Thomas. All right. Yeah, if you're here, this is just gonna be a chill stream, you know. Watching this, how this unfolds. Maybe take a live position on something. We'll see how it goes. Let's do this until I'm bored. If you're here, leave a like, guys. Takes a second on the video. Subscribe to my YouTube. We're trying to hit 5k subs, which isn't too much, you know. If I see how many times my videos get watched, we should be able to hit 5k subs, right? So leave a sub on my YouTube channel and leave a like on the video. Takes 1 second. What happens next? Yeah, that's the question. So let's take a quick look, right? I want to go back to, so I'm not gonna redo the whole part of yesterday where we marked out all of those levels and gave our plans, right? What we were watching yesterday was, we were watching Monday low here and the low under, but we said if you saw my Twitter this morning, I posted a snippet of yesterday's live stream, a snippet of where I said, if we sweep Monday low, wouldn't be surprised if we front run this low and pump from the sweep of Monday low. That's what happened, but as you can see now, obviously got round tripped. But I longed down here a little bit, as I said, very low risk, closed it up here, not at the highs, but right as we saw this hourly close ugly, right? So yesterday we saw that. What did we have this morning, right? So if we take a look at the daily, something that stood out to me was this daily candle, right? If we go into a replay, that's I want to exit, yes, that's one too much. This one, okay, this is what the daily looked like. All right, now what stands out to me is that Monday low obviously got swept, solid close, but as you can see, we didn't have a wick on this daily candle to the upside. What does that mean? That doesn't have to mean anything, but very often what you get when you don't have a wick to the upside is that wick gets taken, or the high of the candle gets taken within the same candle or in the next few candles, right? And whenever you get that, and whenever, for example, this is bearish and you get the sweep of Monday low, what you tend to get then is we take the high, right? So we make the wick that we didn't make on this candle and then just nuke back down. And as you can see, if we now go out of this replay mode, right, took the wick, boom, and then instantly dumped back down. So that was what I saw this morning, right? If we mark out that daily high, so that's Wednesday high, right? And we go to the lower time frames, what do we see? That wick here got taken, right? Dumped back below, pump, failed to break above and sold off, okay? Now something else, these levels here, weekly open, lining up with that key mid-range, hourly mid-range, 4-hour mid-range, whatever you want to call it, those levels lining up, price swept at daily high, right? Saw weakness, tried to make another break back above. If we would have broken above here, I'd feel bullish and would target higher, Monday high, at least, okay? But we failed to do so, got rejected, we sold off and broke below those two key levels. And that what told me to get out of my longs. And so I closed my longs here. I mean, there's proof in Discord, I called it live, I call everything live, what I do. Maybe a little bit of luck as well. There's also, there's always tiny bits of luck whenever you get out right before this move. Like, I didn't expect this to move this aggressively back down, you know. But yeah, anyways, it happened. So now we're down here, right? What am I watching now? Well, I don't really like what I'm seeing right now, and I'll explain why, right? So yesterday we said we wanted to see sweeps into this area, right? And target higher from there. Now, what I don't like is that we took this daily high, right, before moving into the area we wanted to long. If we would have left this high unswept, what would that mean? Well, clean draw on liquidity towards here and higher. But now on this move, right, we trapped longs from people who longed the reclaim, like they said, oh, Monday low got swept and we reclaimed it, long stop below Monday low, right? All those people get fucked right now, and that just accelerates price and gives it more probability, in my opinion, that we see lower prices. Now, I'm still not ruling out the scenario that I gave on the live stream yesterday, but I'll be more cautious and probably risk less. So if we get something like this and see strength above here, that would still feel like a comfortable long to me. If we break below here now and close the daily within this region, I'm out. I might even look for a short. Okay. So I'm not rushing into any longs at the moment, right? I don't like the structure here, which we got swept yesterday high. Clean drawn liquidity is resting lower. I think we at least see this OTE at 22.5. Invalidation above there. So let's see actually what the risk reward is on if we short this. Yeah, it's still 1.6 or you could argue that this could be a nice trade, in my opinion. Right, invalidation right there. And target down there. Let's see, if we retest Monday low, I might look for a short. As you can see, flat 4-hour top. What I just explained on the daily, that counts for all time frames, right? So flat top right here likely gets taken within the same candle or the next few candles. All right, let's see what the chat says now. Everyone just click like. I don't usually, but help out the homie. Hey, thanks, Stefan. I love your Discord and what you do for us. Glad you like it, man. Hello, success with online. There was an SFP in the OTE. Yeah, let's check the OTE actually. 24k retest, even though I think 23.4k is possible. You mind looking at? Yes, we will. What's a better time to look for reclaims, 4-hour or 12-hour? Could you give a low time frame example of reclaim, please? Yeah, it's just whenever price trades back above the level. It doesn't matter if it's on low time frame or high time frame. The more important thing is the general ID on the trade, right? I'm just watching this. I hope it takes this hourly top. Did any news come out by any chance? Does anyone know? Or is it, did it just dump, or did any news come out? Binance apparently closed all Australian positions at once. Oof. I didn't see that. Let's see. Because if this dump was news driven, yeah, then fuck that, I'm not shorting, you know. But if it was just what the market is telling us, then I would look for shorts. But if it's FUD, man, I'd relong this. Would be typical. Bearish news, boom. Oh, bearish, short it, short it, short it. And what does it do then? Boom, 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 up, sweep. And then rip it back up to the highs. Can't find it on Twitter though. Scam pump after yesterday's FOMC minutes. Coinbase news coming up. I've posted the link. It's on Dark Crypto Lord tweet. Yeah, feel free to post a link. Well, not any link, but the link about the news. So you don't have to wait for a 4-hour close or 12-hour close for a reclaim. Nah, man. I mean, depends on every situation, right? But what I usually enter not on a reclaim, but on the move itself, right? I look for. I've said it a thousand times. I look for a low, right? And I look for confluence under that low. If you have demand, OTE, for example, a monthly open, a weekly open, right? If you have that below a kilo and price comes back into that area, sweeps the low into that area, that's enough confirmation. That's enough for me, right? I just need the sweep into an area of confluence, and then I'll just blindly enter. Keep my stop there, you have an easy invalidation, and you target the highs. And that's the easiest setup in the world and super effective. And if you want to wait for a reclaim, right, just simply wait, look at the sentiment, right? Oh, what's everyone? I mean, yeah, that's a dangerous one, because just look at the market, how it's behaving. If you see prices reclaiming the level, closing some hourlies above, yeah, just get in. Keep your stop maybe not below the low, but below the area, right? And go like that. What the fuck? Why? Why is flying up here while at the lows? I think the news is Binance users, yeah. No bad news, just a Coinbase news which is coming up. What Coinbase? Ah, they're launching some product. Yeah, why would the markets dump because of that? That doesn't make sense, right? Well, who cares about the Australian market anyways? It's like 3 people and the spider. Lol. Well, if it's just that news, well, just that news, it's pretty big news to be honest, but this changes everything, you know. As you know, I don't like I don't trade in news, right? But when this move was the news, there's more chances that we do this and we get a big pump back up. Classic foot, do this, right? If we wouldn't have that news, price would still be trading here. Agreed? So this can be seen then as an anomaly. So when price now does this and we take some liquidity down there, man, I'll be long again. Might even, I'm not gonna long here, right? That would be kind of stupid, I think. We've got this low, and this low all resting here nicely above each other. So what do we want to see? Boom. Into the area of confluence, OTE, breaker, monthly open, invalidation below there. And I would even target new highs then. Maybe keep it there. We'll see. We'll see. No, I'm staying flat for now, but we'll see what we get. Will you short a retest of Monday low? Nah. I would if this move wasn't news, but right now, nah, fuck that. You saw open interest. I don't look at open interest. I purely use the chart. Clean ETH range low retest. We'll take a look at ETH. Doesn't price inability to stay above 24.4 shows that this support become resistance and it will be harder to reach new highs. I'm full bearish. It would if this move would have happened by itself, but it was just the news. Yeah, was it? When did this? 24 minutes ago. It was the news, right? Where was the official announcement? Or is there an official announcement even? Can you explain how you use breakers? Go watch the pin post on my Twitter. Watch that video. It's it all covers these concepts. How long you been trading for? For like 6 years now. Hello, even. Okay, let's check ETH. Where did we chart ETH? Come on. No. Let's see what we have. See this squiggle? Man, I wouldn't get too bearish here. As you said, clean ETH range low retest. There's no reason to get bearish on this, in my opinion. But it will depend on Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin would have swept the lows, spiked below, I'd be long right now. That's beautiful, you know? Yeah, we'll see what happens, but I wouldn't feel too bearish after retesting this as key support. Imagine we just rip back up. Come on. Yeah, I can't long here. I hope we get another dip, a proper dip into this green area. And that's where I'll start longing again, something like this. Seems that the news is true, yeah. Bitcoin now retesting Monday low. Yeah. I'm not touching it. I want to see this to long, or I'm staying flat for now, and I want to see the next couple closes and go from there. Let's take a look at Matic. Remember what I said yesterday about Matic, about the level that we were watching on the weekly? Remember I explained this high got swept here, closed ugly, swept last week's high, it dumped, swept last week's low, right? And then smashed back up and closed strong above. As long as we held above this support, that I wouldn't get too bearish on this. And look at what a bounce we got from the lows. Boom. If this does something like this, explain this as well, right? That's where you long, keep your stop maybe below there. Target up there, and new highs. If we break below here, that's another story. Then we probably go for these lows and these lows and these lows. This is the middle of nowhere for me. But if I were to long or to short right now, I think longing makes more sense, because of the simple fact that we're at previous resistance and now retesting it as support. And yes, we swept yesterday high and are dumping a little. But if that's just the news, yeah. Why do you need to take lows on Matic